Good morning, children. We'll come back to the chapter fractions and decimal. Fractions, we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we have done many problems on it. Today we are going to start the next topic, that is decimal. Okay, now see this number 8463.25. You can see a small dot between 3 and 2, and that is known as decimal point. Okay, this is known as decimal point, and this number is known as decimal number. This part 8463 is known as integral part. This part is known as integral part, and this part is known as decimal part. Okay, so before the decimal point, the numbers which are written are known as integral part, and after the decimal point, it is known as decimal part. Okay, now let us know the position of each digit in this number, and each digit will represent some value. Now you can see here 8463, 3 is a ones digit. You have done long by in the primary, right? This is tens digit. This is hundreds digit, and 8 is thousands digit, right? And after the point, the number which is written, that the first one will be tenths digit, T-E-N-T-H-S, okay, tenths digit, and this 5 will be hundredths digit. When you will write it in the expanded form, what you will write, 8 will be, this 8 can be written as 8 into 1000, then plus 4 can be 4 into 100, 6 is 6 into 10, 3 is 3 into 1. Okay, now listen, be very careful. Plus 2 has to be written 2 into 1 by 10. Okay, that is tenths. And 5 is 1 by 1 by 100. This is the way you write it in the expanded form. Okay, now any number, suppose 4.250 is there, suppose after the an extra 0 written at the end of the decimal number does not change its value. If you write here 0 into 1 by 1000, the value will not change, right? So after the decimal number, if the extra zeros are written, though it has no value. So 4.25 is equal to 4.250 is equal to 4.25 itself. Okay, now we are going to do how to write the place value of some particular digit. Suppose if I have to write the place value of 3 in this number. So the place value of 3 in this will be nothing but 3 into, because 3 is in the units digit, that is in the ones digit. So the place value of 3 is equal to 3 into 1. Place value of 5 will be equal to 5 into 10. Place value of 2 will be equal to 2 into 1 by 10. That is 2 by 10. So this is where you are going to write the place value. Okay. Now how to convert the decimal number. Okay. Now this is the one. Now let me tell you how to convert the decimal number into fraction. Suppose if we have a number 0.25 and we have to change it into fraction. This can be written actually as 0 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Okay, anyway, 0 has no addition of 0 has no meaning. So 2 by 10 can be written as 20 by 100 plus 5 by 100, and this is nothing but 25 by 100. So 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. So there is no need of doing all this. This is just for an explanation. Suppose if you had to write 672, this you have to change it into fraction. Okay, so what you will do? you can change it as, you can write it 672 divided by, after the decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3. So 1000. 672 by 1000. This is way, and then you have to bring it into the lowest term. So 25 by 100 can be written as 1 by 4. Similarly, this also you can bring it into the lowest term. So this is how you change the decimal into a fraction. Okay. Now let us see how to express a fraction into a decimal. Suppose you have 3 by 25. Okay. This you have to change it into decimal. What we have to do is, we have to make the denominator the multiple of 10. Okay, it cannot, 25 cannot be made it as 10, but you can make it as 100. So what we have to do, equivalent fraction which we have learnt in the fraction, we'll multiply by 4 so that it will become 100, which is a multiple of 10. It's the same when if you are multiplying in the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator as well. So this will become 12 by 100, and 12 by 100, to write it in the decimal form, it is very easy, right? It is nothing but 0.12, because it is 1 is in the unit the 10th digit and 2 is in the 100th digit, so we can write 0.12. So this is how you change the fraction into a decimal. Let me take another example. Suppose if you have 5 by 8. 5 by 8, we have to write it in the fraction. What we will do, we will find out which number will make it a multiple of 10. And what we find is, this can be multiplied by 125, this also by 125. So this becomes 625 and this becomes 1000. Okay, now you see that it is in the form of a fraction. So this can be written as 0.625. So this is in the form of a decimal. So to change it into a decimal, we have to make the numerator a multiple of 10. I think that's enough for today. So what you have learned today, you have learned that what is a decimal number and what is the place value of each digit. Okay, how to expand this number, and how to find the place value of each digit, and how to change a decimal number into a fraction and then change it to mixed fraction or improper fraction, and then after that you know how to change a fraction into decimal. Okay, so today this much is enough. I will write it in a proper way, the definition. I'll send it in to you. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.